Tukithi na mbere Mubiashara uregweta kaunti ya Thirikari thini wa GITARI boss na birite kotini thirikari ya kaunti ino bamwe na mbondi ya kurengithia barua cia biashara akimathitangaga ni kumubingira nyomba ciawe cia uriti wira. Rutere rwa thirikari ria thira ni ndua ndua ya NCHOOBI ndege ni watho ikuthondekwa imwe ikithukangagia ugima wa mwiri wa antu na nikio mamubingirite GITARI nawe arikinyeria nkorokia miaka 20 twe ari biasharani ino ya uthondeki na wendia wa NCHOOBI na atana cumbura na thirikari onari Samuel Gaishima hatumenyithie nkoroki nteto eno.
Ile tariki 14 mweri wa kenda Mubiashara ari nkuma ntere chechuka GITARI boss ora achwana wanwe iborichi aikirwa mpeni nyuma ya factory yake ya uthondeki bwa NCHOOBI kwithukirwa ithirikari ya kaunti ukurukira bondi ya kuraithiria ukinyaniru bwa NCHOOBI na kweja na license hamwe na ndongi mwanya cha ukaria araba iturire NCHOOBI ya nkurukia lita 250 GITARI na andikithire egamba kotini akenda thirikari itiga kuthungira biashara yake na imunenkera license ya kuthimbere na biashara enu. Kiri igamba riraruguritwe na rietwa ria biashara enu Hakim Commercial Agencies ariuga bondi ya county iranio yandikire ripoti ya wagiru wa factory enu itabatiri kuandika ripoti enu kuringana na watho akiuga ati enu igwira ya bondi ya sub county ariuga na igitwe ari biashara ni eno wankurukia miaka 10 na utirereo aro awatikana ataingetie mitaratara ya urugi bwa NCHOOBI kairi.
The petition has been operating the business of manufacturing alcohol since 2002. And as such, I believe there is no prejudice that will be occasioned. Whereas prejudice would be occasioned on the petition applicant if the orders sought are not granted.
Mwana uguru tererwa thirikari rugete ati thirikari ya ingire factory enu erinjira ya kurigeria mwingi kumania na NCHOOBI erayomba kugitaria ugima bwago bwa mwiri.
The law is clear on how to undertake the process of licensing of alcohol, and it is the interest of public that the county government takes its duty and mandates to protect the public from consuming brews that are questionable, made without approval, and posing health issues and challenges to the public.
Thirikari nkurukini ugite ati kotini batiri gutejaniria gambarire nuntu ndeni ya koti ya rungu kuri na gambare wenyangia rithitangitwe imwingire konie factory no.
So that is a continuing criminal matter filed by the public against the applicant in criminal case number E461 of 2023 before the subordinate court here in Chuka, which substantially is handling the same issues that this petition raises, my lady.
My lady, on the issue of the criminal matter, where a party is raising an issue of infringement of their constitutional right, one cannot claim prejudice. There is another pending criminal matter. The petitioner is suffering loss of business. The petitioner is being harassed by the respondent.
Ende igambarire kathimbere kuthikirwa tariki 11 mweri uju. Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge ya Chuka Igamba Ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.